only 30 kilometers from Lisbon, you will find a place that seems to have sprung straight from the pages of a fairy tale book, Sintra. This small town has captivated the hearts of travellers for centuries, with its stunning landscapes, historic palaces, and an otherworldly aura that has earned it UNESCO World Heritage status. Sintra's history is woven into the tapestry of Portugal itself. Its roots trace back to the Moorish period when it was known as Sintra. Later, it became a royal retreat for Portuguese monarchs, who recognised its unique charm. The most iconic testament to this royal history is the Palácio Nacional de Sintra, a blend of architectural styles that reflect the town's diverse heritage. As you stroll through Sintra's cobblestone streets, you'll notice that the town has gracefully evolved while retaining this timeless charm. Art galleries, boutique shops, and cultural events blend seamlessly with centuries-old architecture, creating a living fairy tale where past and present coexist harmoniously. After exploring the town of Sintra, walk a road uphill and you will discover the Quinta da Regaleira, a mystical estate that will leave you awestruck. Its whimsical architecture, lush gardens, and a network of underground tunnels and grottos make it a place that sparks the imagination. The estate was designed by Italian architect Luigi Manini in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, and is considered to be one of the most enchanting and esoteric places in Sintra. The main attraction at Quinta da Regaleira is the magnificent palace itself. The palace features a blend of architectural styles including Gothic, Renaissance, Roman and Manueline, making it a captivating and visually diverse structure. Quinta da Regaleira is part of the cultural landscape of Sintra, which is designed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This recognition highlights its cultural and historical significance. One of the highlights is the Initiation Well, which is an enigmatic structure, also known as the Inverted Tower, built in the 20th century. It is not your typical well, but a staircase that spirals deep into the earth, evoking a sense of mystery and wonder. It is a striking example of the fusion of Gothic, Renaissance and Manueline architectural styles, adorned with intricate carvings, symbols and Masonic references. Quinta da Regaleira also has several towers that offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Prepare to be enchanted as you ascend the winding roads to the Palácio da Pena, a masterpiece of 19th century Romantic architecture. Perched on a hilltop like a crown jewel, this palace is an explosion of colour and creativity. Continuing your walk, you will reach Castelo dos Mouros, a castle of the Moors, a testament to Portugal's medieval history. Built during the 8th and 9th centuries by the Moors, it served as a defensive fortress. It was a key strategic stronghold during the Moorish era and played a crucial role in the Christian Reconquista. Its walls witnessed centuries of history, from battles to periods of abandonment. The views from its ancient walls stretch far across the Sintra Hills, offering a unique perspective of the town's lush surroundings. Beyond its architectural treasures, Sintra is a haven for nature enthusiasts. The Parque Natural de Sintra Cascais encompasses the town, offering hiking trails that wind through the dense forests. The refreshing scent of pine trees and the soothing sounds of birdsong create a serene atmosphere, perfect for those seeking a respite from the bustling city life. Sintra's allure transcends time and space. It's a place where reality and fantasy merge, where history and imagination intertwine. Whether you seek history, nature, or simply a dose of enchantment, Sintra, Portugal is a destination that promises a journey unlike any other. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.